Hi, in front of me I have INTEX Aqua Shine, and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and to do it, let's tap on this icon right here. Now scroll down and tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll down, or up rather. Basically we need to find display and tap on it. Here let's tap on wallpaper, then select wallpapers right here. Allow some permissions. Now we can scroll through the list of wallpapers right here by swiping left or right. Tap on one we like to select it, like this, and then tap set wallpaper in the top left corner. And we can go back to home screen. As you can see, the wallpaper changed. We can also do it another way, and to do it we need to press and hold on the middle of the home screen, or maybe not middle, but on the free space, and then tap on wallpapers right here, and again select one we like, tap set wallpaper, and as you can see, the wallpaper changed. And that's how you change the wallpaper on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.